Hi, this is Kalpesh Joshi, your Upper Midwest Regional Director. Thank you for being a part of AHOA and Upper Midwest region.
The best event in hotel ownership is coming to our area. It's the 2016 AHOA Upper Midwest Regional Meeting and will take place in Elmhurst, Illinois. There are three major reasons you need to attend. First, it's the best local trade show. Vendors from around the country will be here to showcase their latest products and services. You can save thousands of dollars a year just by attending the trade show and accessing the AHOA-only deals. Number two is education. Industry experts will hold free seminars to discuss ways your hotel can make more money and save more money. There will be an update from STR on what's happening in the major cities in our region, plus the AHOA officers will share AHOA news and the threats we face from both new and proposed government regulations. And finally is the AHOA Friends and Family. Hundreds of AHOA members from around the region will be attending, so it's a great opportunity to catch up with old friends and family.
It is an honor to serve you as your Upper Midwest Regional Director. I look forward to seeing you in Elmhurst, Illinois on September 22nd. Thank you.